vast majority of data in Dronedesk is presented in tables. So if we have a look at clients, for example, so Dronedesk will attempt to fit all of the data it can with the screen available. If there are columns that are hidden, then you'll have a plus icon in the leftmost column, which if you click, that will show the hidden columns. To sort the table, you can click on a column header. Clicking again, it will sort it in the opposite order. You can sort by multiple columns by holding down the Shift key and clicking in the second column. And again, you can alternate between sort order. You can also rearrange the columns at any time, so just click in the column header and drag the item to its new position. And you can also hide columns, so if you don't want to see items displayed by default, then you can select the item and it will remove it from the default display. Any configuration changes you make are saved for that table. So if I refresh this screen, you'll see that her contact name is over on the right-hand side where I left it. You're able to restore the table to its default state at any point in time by clicking the rewind or reset button, which is available in the top right menu. Some tables will have paging options at the bottom with an option to select a default view of 5, 10, 50 or 100 records at any time. If you need to export your data, you can do that by clicking the Export to Excel button, and that will download the data that you currently have viewed on screen. And if you're looking for a particular record, you can search by starting to type in the top right filter, and the table will immediately filter to any matching records that it finds. To clear the search, just click the X. By default, Dronedesk will show active records in the system, but if you've archived any records, you can view those at any time by clicking the Show Archived Records at the bottom right of the table. And if there are any records in there, you'll be able to unarchive them at that point. Clicking the menu again, you can view the record, so this will pop up the form in a read-only status. You can do the same with edit, and obviously at that point you can edit the record and save the changes. You can archive records. Most records in the system have a log entry capability, so you can add log entries at any time to any item. You can also export a log from here to either to CSV, or you can get a print view. And then we'll have custom items depending on what type of record you're looking at. So that's an overview of the tables.